In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with TubeBuddy, the keyword research tool, so that you can start getting more views on your videos. Let's not waste another second and jump right into it. So if you haven't downloaded TubeBuddy yet, I'll leave a link for you in the description down below, so you can click on that and get access to TubeBuddy. Now there's a free version of TubeBuddy and a paid version. The free version is more than enough for you, but it's really cool to explore the paid version if you want to take YouTube a bit seriously and start investing in your YouTube channel. We are an affiliate for TubeBuddy, and that's why we love talking about them. So we do earn a small commission that helps support this channel if you upgrade to a paid version. So let's jump into TubeBuddy and let me show you how you can start using it to get more views. We're going to launch the Keyword Explorer tool, and we're going to start exploring a topic. So let's jump into surfing. Now, when we're first starting out on YouTube, we want to create videos around long tail key phrases to reduce the competition and give you a better chance of ranking higher inside of YouTube search. This is going to help you get more views. So we can't just create a video about surfing. We need to find a more specific topic to create around surfing. So what is one of the things that you need to do when you're learning how to surf? You need to learn how to duck dive so you can get out to the back and actually catch a wave. So let's go into duck diving. Now you can see we're starting to focus on a smaller portion of surfing and how to get into that. So let's head over to common tags and let's have a look. There's how to duck dive, learn to surf, how to surf, duck dive, how to duck dive surfing. These are all really short. Duck dive technique. So let's try and narrow it down to how to duck dive a longboard when you're surfing. And you can see our competition has reduced here, but the search volume is quite low. So it is saying that it's not a great keyword, but when we're first starting out on YouTube, we may have to sacrifice a bit of search volume to get good with the competition. So let's get a bit more specific. How to duck dive surfing a longboard. Okay, and our competition has reduced even more and the search volume has reduced. So that's really where we want to get to in the first stage of looking at our keywords inside the Keyword Explorer. Now in the second stage, I want you to go and type that long tail keyword into YouTube search and see what kind of videos come up. So we've got how to duck dive bigger surfboards, so it's not longboards, bigger surfboards and longboards plus other tips. So that's a great way to get a lot more specific. We're not only talking about longboards, we're talking about the bigger boards. The bigger boards are a lot harder to duck dive. How to duck dive a longboard, part 2. How to duck dive surfing tutorial to pass the break efficiently. So this is now starting to talk to a pain point of surfers. If you can't get past the break point, you're not actually going to enjoy surfing, because that's what happened to me when I first started out. I couldn't actually duck dive properly, and I'd just get smashed and smashed and smashed and smashed, and I'd get so tired that I wouldn't actually get a wave, and I was just trying to duck the whole time, and I was really just getting hit on the head by waves, and I was so tired that I couldn't actually surf a wave, and I just went in and I gave up. Now that's where you're really going to create some curiosity. People will be like, I really want to know how to duck dive so I can get out and surf and enjoy myself. So that's a really good video, and you can see he has done really well. 600,000 views in 2 years. That's pretty good. So make sure when you're trying to decide what keyword you want to go for, you want to connect emotionally with the people and help them solve a problem. This guy's helping you solve the problem of getting out to backline. A lot of beginner surfers really battle with that. So that's a really great way to bring into your keyword research, trying to understand your viewer's problem, and then bring that into your keyword research using TubeBuddy to create the right kind of video tags. So like how to duck dive a longboard, how to surf, the surfing tutorial is in there, your surfing tips, and then you can copy those and paste them into your video using a good emotional grabbing title that's going to convince them that you're going to solve their problem. They're going to be changed after watching your video. And that's really what you want to do when you're creating your video. It's going to help you get more views, and it's going to help you grow your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or queries about getting started with TubeBuddy and how to use the Search Explorer tool and the Keyword Explorer tool, let us know in the comments down below and we'll create a video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, and we've got another video right here just for you.